Ow.
No, it's a family gift. You know how we have the one family gift every year? This is your Santa gift.
I heard the beep.
Oh,
It's Louie!
his face.
What, it's here? Yeah. You mean we could play bowling today?
Jump, jump! It has Louis Smarts in it.
Yes! I'm gonna kick your game into bowling. Guess you're not going anywhere now, right? Are we on steroids, buddy? Super screen.
You ready?
He's yelling. He's the worst now.
Okay, now down to business. Let's open it up. Wow!
Good job, Smile.